Good morning, fam basic. We've had an early morning this morning. Woke up at about 7 and just been hanging around. I've straightened my hair, which I must admit, my hair has grown so much. Look how much hair that is. It's like a horse's tail. We're about to go to the farmer's market. I'm so looking forward to the donuts or the cronuts, whatever they're called, from Bombolini's, I believe, referred to me from a good friend of mine. Look at my lovely husband. He's such a faithful car owner. $3. Oh my goodness. They're really making money. I did see you. Look at your cute hat. By myself. I'll pick the oranges up later because I've only got 2 hands. Oh, beautiful flowers.
It might come out just like a bomb.
That looks so good. Where are those damn donuts? I'm trying to look for it. I'm struggling to find the damn donuts and they're right in front of me. Goodness, I passed it. Because so many people were in front. Ugh, there's flies on those ones. Those are some good looking donuts.
Oh, cheers, yeah.
Do you make them yourself?
Yeah, have you had them before?
No, but my friend keeps talking about them.
Yeah, so I make them all fresh, make all the fillings, all the toppings. And, yeah.
You do it here in Canberra or?
Yeah, I make them just in that kitchen in the corner of the shed.
In the mornings?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Good on you. Oh,
Sorry.
that's all right. Thank you. Hello? Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Do they have Fuji ones? Oh, these are Fuji. The Fuji ones are pretty expensive. Oh my gosh, you little terror. We're going to the mall now to pick up some bamboozled beans for our bamboozled challenge. This is Yossi's first heat stroke here, or heat day, or hot day. You know what I'm trying to say. It's exactly like Samoa, isn't it? Probably here is worse. Yeah, here is worse. But we're going to a house inspection first. Our first ever house inspection, and we're going the wrong way. And I'm really, really excited to see it. Aren't you, babe? Oh, so I just want to show you guys. It looked much bigger in the photos. I guess this is like the dining and the living room and kitchen all together. Looks really nice. And this is the bedroom. Is that going to be a door?
No, there is a door here. There is a door, but this is for flies free.
We should close this again.
Thank you.
Thank you. So the outside doesn't really reflect inside, but it is really nice. It's like a shed, like the shed that we have at the back in our own house, the one that my sister stays in, but it looks nothing like this. This is like an actual granny flat, and I really like it. My husband didn't really like it. I know what Yossi's thinking in terms of the house, because he's probably thinking like it's quite small, the dining room, because I initially thought that as well. But then I just thought to myself, we're the ones living there. We're not going to pay more rent to accommodate more people to come and visit us. And it's what we need for the first 12 months to save money, in order to save money, because the rent is quite cheap. It's the cheapest that we've seen. It's our own private place. I think it's fine. I just think it's going to be perfect. It's the perfect thing we need for our own family. And I'm excited. I'm going to put through an application. But honestly, I don't care. If people come over and our house is small, don't come over. Simple as that. It's just for us. I like it. Found it. I can see my mom. Been wanting a hat for work. I think this is perfect. Perfect. I like it. Take it. Never met a more picky man than my husband. It's fine. It's pretty hot.
I don't like it. Do you like it?
Do you guys like it?
No.
What the hell are these things? I haven't yet bought a cake to celebrate our 100 subscribers, which are almost up to 300, but I still feel like we should go by a mark, so we'll be celebrating 200 tonight because we haven't yet hit the 300 mark. So we'll be going to Coles later today to buy a cake and celebrating with you guys, just a small one.
Yeah. But one you may get supposed to speak English all the time.
I do speak English all the time.
Here.
So dumb.
You're jealous.
I'm not jealous, I'm sorry.
Hey Carol, you're so jealous. You're so jealous, girl.
I'm not jealous. Why am I jealous of you?
Jealous with my hands.
I'm not jealous of your hands. I've already got hands.
Jealous with my hands. I'm so jealous.
I'm looking for the deco stuff so we can write on the cake.
It's a celebrating.
You're so cute, baby. So we've decided for dinner we're having
Pizza.
and wedges, which is
Wedges.
underneath. We don't really know. We're hopeless at cooking. Imagine if when we move out, babe. Who's going to be doing all the cooking?
Me.
And what are you going to cook?
Fried lamb and cabbage. That's all.
Why don't we cook that now?
Because
In you go. So we're celebrating 200 subscribers we've hit, and we just want to say thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking and commenting on our videos. I hope that you like more, because more is to come. And we just want to say thank you.
Thank you for liking and subscribing our video. Thank you.
And this is our cake. It was probably not the smartest idea to put chocolate on chocolate. I didn't realize that there were chocolate letters when I bought the pack. So happy 200 subscribers to us. Oh well. Bon appetit, everyone. It's the end of the day. I'm so hot, so sweaty. We just finished making our dinner. Really isn't the healthiest on the list, but we're quite hungry, so and excited to eat.
Bye.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.